3 years ago, I was in a really times 10 scary place. Constant heart palpitations, nanginginig yung kamay ko, and dark thoughts na paulit-ulit. And all of that, galing lang siya sa one thing. I hated myself.
I was then shot 57 times.
I hated myself. I sabotaged everything. I pushed people away. I turned into someone I couldn't even look in the mirror.
Daddy, chill.
What the hell is even that?
Eye bags, no sleep, junk food every night. Tapos nagdo-doom scroll lang ako sa hundreds of videos na parang walang tomorrow. And I wasn't living. I was just stuck. Then one random night, I heard this one song.
Life is worth living.
And I swear, something cracked inside me. Wait, why that song? Like, bakit yun yung tumama? Do you really wanna know? Obviously, ay. Hingang malalim. Kasi, warning lang, medyo masakit to te. Just say, well, sige, ito na. Because you pushed everyone away. You laughed off every time someone tried to help you. And you became that toxic positive friend na laging, okay lang ako, kahit sobrang hindi. You let yourself drown in your thoughts. So you imagine how that felt, di ba? Like, wala ka ding dasal, wala ka ding usap kay God. Just pure silence and pain. It got so bad, you had sleep paralysis multiple times a night. Like, every night yan. Kaya nga, iniyak mo na lang yan to sleep eh. Until eventually, you stopped laughing. You stopped feeling anything at all. You became just numb. And that night, I asked myself, bakit ba kasi ako nandito sa earth? I didn't ask to be born. I didn't choose this life. But then I remembered something I read before. More like someone told me before. We do choose. Before we were even born, our souls know, and we signed a life contract. Maybe life isn't always that deep.
Oh, what is a mouse? What has he got?
But maybe it is worth living, diba? So that night, my soul remembered why I came here. To open doors to light, to feel grace, to let in magic, and to know God again. Because I was placed here to feel it all. So follow for episode 2. Peace! As much as I want this to make it as cinematic as possible, I can't. I'll just bawi sa edit. Okay.